In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files in ChatGPT. Let's keep this simple and clear. When you're ready to share an audio clip, maybe a voice memo, a meeting recording, or a short sound sample, the place to start is the chat box, the text field where you normally type your messages. Once you're looking at that message area, glance to the left side of it. You should see a small plus icon sitting right next to where you'd type. That plus button is your gateway to attaching files. Click the plus icon and a small menu will open. From there, choose the option labeled Add Photos and Files. This opens your computer's file picker, where you can browse to find the audio you want to upload. Navigate to the folder where your file lives, Downloads, Desktop, a Project folder, wherever you saved it. When you see the audio file, click it once to select it, then confirm your choice. After that, you'll see the file appear in your chat area, showing that it's attached and ready. If you prefer an even quicker route, you can skip the menu entirely and use drag and drop. Open the folder that contains your audio, click and hold the file, drag it over your chat window, and release your mouse. As you hover over the chat box, you'll usually notice a visual cue, letting you know the file can be dropped there. Once you let go, the attachment appears in the chat, just like before. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your file name clear and short so it's easy to spot and reference later. Most common audio formats, like MP3, WAV, or M4A, tend to work well. If you run into issues, double-check the file size and try a different format if you have one available. Also, be mindful of what's inside your audio. Avoid sharing anything that includes private or sensitive information you wouldn't want in a chat. If the plus icon isn't immediately visible, make sure the chat window is wide enough or not zoomed in too far. Adjusting the window can bring it back into view. And if you're juggling multiple files, upload them one at a time to keep things organized and easier to follow. That's the full process. Head to the chat box, click the plus icon, choose All Add Photos and Files, pick your audio, or simply drag and drop the file into the chat. Once you see it attached, you're set. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.